Hello everyone and welcome back to Software Incorporated. My god, it's been a few weeks. I've been playing Factoria way too much, but I am back and today we are gonna make a new piece of software. But first, we're cancelling this software. Why? Well, because there is a certain research project involving an audio tool, audio compression. 1988, 5.33% royalty, income 0, and the biggest thing, no owner. Oh yeah, we are gonna research that. So research is a thing that could be very interesting, that could be something you can earn a lot of money with. But first you need to get it out as quick as you can. Now we need apparently as much algorithmic as we can. Now let's see how good our team is at that. It is not the best. Let's look at the employees itself. Nope, not the best. So I'm not really sure if we need a lot of programming or designing for this. So let's just get this thing rolling and see how it goes. At the moment we have 6 million, so we can spend a little bit of money on this. Okay, even quicker. Green. Okay, they're going into the green, which means we need the programming. Okay, so we are gonna train as many people as quick as we can on programming. At least the programmers itself, for the people who are not really the best. So this person is not going to learn it. This person might, including this one. This one will, this one will, this one will not. This one is an any role, this one will. And this one is a designer, doesn't really need to. So you, and you? I think you were good. No, you were not good. Okay, you are good and you are good, right? Yeah, okay, so you, educate, programming, algorithmic for, let's do 2 months, and start education 16,000. That will actually be worth it. And actually this person, me, will also go on a course, educate, but you are going for 1 month because we will need a leader soon back. Okay, also one thing I am actually not really doing at the moment with this game is I am not checking my sales. Let's first look at our stocks. Let's click on this thing and doesn't do anything. Oh, we have some boxes, that's good. We have 6,000 copies of FrameBit here, and I actually have not checked how many we actually have sold or done anything with. So let's actually check our FrameBit basic. There we go, we have sold 152 units. Now how many do we have in store? There should be a button for that somewhere, and I have no clue where that one is. Financing? No, we are making not as many sales, so I think I will stop producing copies. Let's just see how many we have in stock. Can I see that here? Can I click you, order copies? Ah, here, okay, in stock 41,000. So that is, I think, more than enough because we are not selling as many copies as, of course, the start was. We can make a sequel. We can see here we have 6,000 in storage, and that is more than enough. Refunds, 9,000. Oh, refunds is a thing. Interesting. Ooh, a quarter of that refunded, and a little more of here, but that should not be a problem. Can we go into details and can we see, yeah, order, start printing. Oh. Find owner. What's this? Find owner. Fans. Oh, this is the company's screen. Okay. I want to see if I can order less copies or stop producing copies. I think I can see that somewhere, but I have no clue where. Ah, found it. It's on the distribution. I think I can stop producing it here. Goal is 4,000 more, storage is 600. Let's limit this one, just limit it. And I think I'm going to limit this to 100 copies. So I want to keep 100 copies in storage. We have 6,000 at the moment, so that this should be more than enough. And that should be fine. That means we are going to keep 100 in storage, and otherwise, well, actually there's 1000 in one box, so actually I might just keep 1000 in storage now that I think about this. So let's limit that to just the full box of 1000, and that's the thing we're gonna keep on shelf, and the rest can, well, stay. So at the moment this is our storage, and that should be fine. Okay, let's continue programming. And finished printing job for frame-bit basic. Well, that's good, because it's already done. Because you have 6000 in, oh, 7000 instead of... Wait, don't tell me I'm going to create another 1000 copies tomorrow, because that's not the thing I want. Okay, another month has passed, and it doesn't seem like we're creating any more copies, which is good. Can we see how many there are in... Oh, finished printing job, and it's gone. Huh. Oh well, I guess we have how many on the market at the moment? Can I see that? Yeah, I can see that with all my created software. Click on that one, click on details, and see how many we have in storage. In stock, 74,000. That is more than enough. Okay, that is way more than enough. 74,000 is, well, gonna take a long time to get those sold. Okay, so actually we are also in need of algorithmic designing, so let's actually see if we can get that up as well. I might want to... And you are going to educate yourself on designing algorithmic as well for 1 month. And you should also, well, this is reasonably good. The other thing is just not good enough. I actually might have wanted to just get this one to only algorithmic design. And why are you not any role and you are any role? I think I've made a little bit of a boo-boo there. Yeah. Let's change role. Change team. No. Change role. You're going to be any role. And you are going to be a designer. There we go. Now, not a lot of people will be here, of course, for the next month. Now, this is a thing that's time-based. We need to get this out as quickly as we can. And let's hope that we have it. Yeah, I don't really care. Except all and close. Yes. Why now? Because of the training? I'm not really sure. There we go, everybody is in again. Now we should see a little more progress on this system. Yeah, okay, the algorithmic now is going really quick, only the designing is now behind. So that's a thing we need to manage now a little better. Let's go again into employees and check the designers mostly. Why are you not a designer? Oh, I guess I set you to auto role and not to a design role. Now this one can do a lot of the one, but not the other, which is not the best. You can do both now. This is all good. The designers now really need to step up the pace. They really need to step up the pace. We've got too many programmers at this point. Can one of the programmers do some designing? Oh my god, the bars are full. I love it. Well, there's one here which can do a little bit. Let's change you into any role, but first you are going to I really don't care. Educate, design, algorithmic for 2 months start. I'm really spending a lot of money on that, but with a missing 65,000 a month we can still continue for about 1,000 months, so I don't really care. The second month for a few of the research, for the few of the people who are actually going to go study are actually on holiday now. So I hope actually they will be back next month. Otherwise, well, we'll still see. There's no research at the moment, so that's good. I really hope we can get through this at the moment. I really hope so. There we go. Now everybody should be back. Is everybody back from courses or not yet? Can I see that here somewhere? I think I can. State. At work. Yep, they're all at work. There we go. They should all be working now, and hopefully the algorithmic is... Yeah, it's moving up very slowly, but a little quicker than it was at least. Now the programs will be done pretty quick, and they can just continue with the support on Framework Basic. And that should now be quicker, but they at least are done with the research here. One employee went on vacation. I think that is the person that actually went on the training for their month of vacation. So they are now back and we should be to full strength next month. There we go. There we go. Now it's going quick. Now it's going quick. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. And one more month and we should... No. Fast game. Patent. Applying for patents. Do we get it? Do we get it? Click. Yes, we got it. Noise! That means with this, we have the audio compression and we can now start the audio tool a little bit easier. We're going to do that. So, what was the name again for the audio tool we had? It was a pretty good one. I completely forgot to check. Let me check and do this. The name was... Ooh. So we have frame width basic. Audio edit. Basic is I think going to be this name. The name was... I already forgot. But it's not important. This is the thing we're going for. Oh, I'm so bad. Okay, let's get FrameBit Basic as the software for this. Apparently, actually, the Vector Premium Pro actually did a lot better. And they already released a new product for their own market. Are they getting a lot of returns? We can't see that here. It's also a euro cheaper. Interesting. But let's just go for this one. And category default, let's remove all here because first we need to add a few operating systems. We have a new one. No, this one is a year old. But there has been a new one and we're going to create for the top two, which are these. There was something with one of these systems, I think. There was one with a... oh, we can see here the reference. There are a lot of reference in the first month. We can actually see what kind of features this has. And I think this one has PC speaker, multitasking, multi-threading. It's not the thing I was searching for. Details. One of these actually has, this is just a simple terminal, a good 3D engine. Oh, this one is 8-bit audio. Yeah, the one which is not sounding as good. That's too bad. We need to get a operating system going for ourselves pretty soon, but for now we're going to do this. So this is technically kind of the same as the other audio tools on the market. If we see here and sort on, no. Sort still on release date. Sort by type. Oh, audio tool. I see it here. U details. We can see here that these features are technically kind of the same things as we have. This one is a music editor because I guess this one is brought out for the other operating system, which we can't. Is there a change between these and these? No, this one has the 8-bit audio thingy. Okay, so we are going for the mass market. We are not going for the small market. Are there actually audio tools for the small market out at the moment? The last one was April of 78 or 87, which was 1.5 years back. And this one has the standard thing, but we are going with the audio compression, which is, I guess, a little better. So the core team will be working on this. This will be a very small and very quick project. We should be having this out very quick. I don't think 73 euros is a good price. I think this one is more something in the band of 30 euros worth of software. Let's sort on I can just filter here on audio tools. That would be a lot better. The price for normal audio tools are, yeah, very cheap. 15, 17, that's pretty cheap. But the newest ones are a little more expensive. This one has the audio editor. Now we haven't done the editor yet, so I don't think it is worth that amount of money. So 30 is, I guess, half the normal price, which could be very good for us. But yeah, it has a music editor, video, audio playback and audio compression. I think 30 euros would be good for it. If we had add a instrument library and sound library, the price goes up. But at the moment, I don't think we should do that. Support the creators for 45 euros. I think that's better. Develop. And let's see how quick we can get this out. Oh my god, this goes quick. actually, before we actually go, I am going to fill out a new room here. We are going to add a marketing team. There we go. Okay, so next thing we are going to get is people. And for the people, we are actually just going to hire one leader, which will be trained to do its own stuff. But we do need a leader for this, so that will be an overall skill, personality, and specialization. Well, no. No. Let's get marketers first and get a leader which is appropriated or works well together with the rest of the team. So first off, we need actually a new team. So let's manage teams. Let's add a team and call them primary marketing, because I guess we will have 2 or 3 teams eventually. For that, okay, begin looking and let's see which kinds of people are working good together. Let's first, well, we could get someone which is good for our team, but let's just get a good person and just fill in the compatibility from there. The top one, you are at least hired, and now let's see which people are good together with you. You are good and you are good as well. And as long as the skill is above the 50, I wouldn't mind getting them. That's a great person here. Okay, let's just look again and see if we can find more good or excellent or great people. I guess good is good enough. And now I want to find a leader. That's 5 people for the marketing. That should be more than enough for now. Let's get a leader and see what kind of person would be good for the team. I guess the top one is the best. And you are also reasonably good at marketing. We will train you up with some marketing education yourself. Let's put these all people to auto roll. Auto roll. And marketing. Well, that's perfect. You are going to be their leader though. And lead at any role. Yes. And you are going to be educated in some marketing for, well, 2 months might be good. There we go. Oh, and HR. I need to add HR as well. Okay, team compatibility is at the moment 100%. That is, the first thing is going to be, well, marketing this. We are going to wait 1 month with the marketing. So let's just get this going for 1 month. The algorithmic is going very quick. Audio is going a little bit on the slow side. Let's see what the problem is there. They are just not really good at audio and algorithmic. We have, of course, well done with the audio compression research. So this will just take a little longer, but I don't really see a problem in that. It will just take 1 month. Doesn't really matter. Okay, next month marketing should be here. Let's see if the marketing is here. Hello team! How are you doing? You want something to do? Well, let's give you something to do. Time to start marketing. When will we release this software? March of the 90s? Feels like a little late. I don't think we need a year. Let's just go for December of this year. I think we'll be finished with the product way before that, but yeah, I think that's a good idea. Okay, announce the release date. Done. Yes. Okay, marketing. Press release, pictures and videos, and let's go on the hype train as well. This one will be for the marketing and not the core team. And you... Oh. There we go. Hyping. And let's also do a release with picture and video. This is going to be the very first time that we do these kinds of things. Enter. Start working. Currently not losing followers. That's good. We need to get this one out first, and then we can get... This is going quick though. I like it. Oh, develop. That one was actually going down. Okay, let's actually see how far we need to get this up. Apparently, thank you to the person who recommended this. If you press the I here, we can see that we probably need about a 13 encoding. So let's get this up to a 13, or at least the 8s, and then start outsourcing some reviews and see how we can do that. Okay, first thing, marketing is done first. Let's release this. We have 779 followers, or 97 followers. I'm saying those numbers 779. Differently because there is a big change between English and Dutch for that, because you say 7 or 800 and 842 or 420 in Dutch and 824 in English, and that's sometimes a little weird. Why don't you have glasses on? Don't you? Yeah, you have glasses on. Okay. Right. You are, well, I guess good. You can actually start working a little later. Oh, well, that's also a thing. You can actually go on holiday in January, and vacation range is 2 months. No, 1 month. Okay, we have a employee who is stressed. It's a programmer. Why are you stressed? I guess it's because of the work, and we are not actually doing that big of a job. But I think it is time for or a leader in this team, or to train Mastiop, which is of course the leader of this team at the moment, into doing a better job. Now I think it might be a good idea to do this leading or get, wow, you are good. You actually need to be trained in 3D. I think it might be a very good idea to get a leader for this team. We at the moment have about 10 people here. We have room for 11. So we are going to get a leader in the core team. Core team leader. Start looking for the core team. Let's see if there's someone with a great compatibility. There is, only they're not a very good leader. Shall we look again? Let's look again. And 20%. Let's try one more time. 42%. Okay, we have rolled good here. Let's hire you for the core team. Compatibility, great, 40%. We are actually going to train you right away. Because you are going to be, first off, change roles. Lead any role. You are going to be a programmer. Actually, you can be any role because you are good at everything. Any role. There we go. And you are going to be educated in HR management. This is the first time we're going to do that. I think the HR management changed a lot since the last time we actually worked with it. And your effectiveness is low. Why is yours so low? Because you're not working? Let's get everybody in and actually see what. Okay, it's a lot better. I guess he was just stressed from one day of work. That could be. But we are losing followers. We are losing 12.4% month, which is a lot. Let's do another marketing thing. Let's release a press build. There we go. And let's do a review. Outsource review. And also do a marketing with pictures and texts. There we go. Primary marketing. Work. Okay, apparently City Sausage Corporation actually does the marketing or does the review for us. And I think this should be more than enough. We are currently at a 4.1 overall score. Algorithmic is reasonably well. Audio and can be a lot better. Okay, so how is the team on audio? It is so-so. Let's see if we can train people in it. Let's sort by role because that makes stuff so much easier. People are reasonably good at the programming of the thing. Why are you a designer? You should not be a designer. Change role, programmer. There we go. I guess I can switch around, of course, people a little bit if need be. You can also be a reasonable coder, but I don't really need more coders at this point. You can, though, be trained a little more in audio. So let's give you a programming job for 2 months in audio to get your skills up. Well, let's do 1 month. I think 3 months is a little overdoing it. And Mastiop can also be trained, but I'd rather train you in 3D design if we go for 1 month. And art is actually a good thing we need to train you in. Because we don't really need you at this point, because we still are not really in a dangerous zone with timings. I'm going to have you in 3D work on some 3D art to get you worked up for maybe the next piece of software we'll be creating, which might be a 3D tool. First, let's get everything going here. Our leader here should not have got here yet. I think he is gone for at least one more month. And the coding now is going really quick. I guess because they now know a little more. And my god, 4,000 followers suddenly. That's better. And that should be our leader for the HR management coming in. Let's see. Everybody is a little early. There we go. Oh my god, there goes a lot of people. And let's just release that press build as well. Hyping is going well. Coding is going well. It's now at a 9. We need to get it to about a 13. So let's do another press build. Outsource the press build. And there we go. 102. Sounds good. Okay. Algorithmic is fine. Audio is the thing that is not good. Very low negative bias. Very low positive bias. That's weird. Biases are weird. But this is a thing, well, they're not really happy about it. No bias is very high skill, and you are giving me a 6.3. Okay. If your accuracy is 80%, well, that's good enough. We just need to get a few more lines of code in. 9 employees went on vacation. I guess it's that time of year. We are now at 13,500 people following, which is a buttload. I'm not really sure if people will get in, but I am going to outsource another review. I'm doing this now monthly, kind of. But we are programming about a 2 every month, so I guess it might be just a good idea to get everything going daily. This is looking a lot better already. I think we need another 2 months of coding after this, so I guess in in September, we will start working on the beta, or debug testing. Fixing the bugs. Yeah, there's only one person actually working. No, two. Our leader is here. Okay, well, if our leader is here, let's actually look at some HR management. So, HR options, what do we have here? We can set budgets, salaries, handle wages, handle complaints. Well, I'd like to do that, handle complaints as well. Force role could be good, and then here we have the amount of roles we can force. Preferred age for the team. Let's send that to the 27th. Education. Let's do that half. Education cooldown will be 6, I guess, months. And a budget. Salaries. Let's set a budget of 50, I guess 50,000. Which is, I guess, the monthly budget for the team. And let's enable that. Oh, is that person back yet? In class. No, it's still in class. Okay, then I guess we need to wait 1 more month. Okay, another 5 employees went on vacation. I guess that is the marketing team. Let's check that in a minute when everybody gets in about. Well, the core, this team will be a little later. Oh no, there are 2 people. Okay, well, with 2 people, we are actually gonna start another marketing project. We are now at a 12.2. I'm going to do another well, they didn't really do a lot, so let's just wait till the end of this month. And it's August now. Yeah, I need to get it in halfway through the day. I do need to do another marketing stunt. Press build. Let's get another press build in or out. And also, let's start another big marketing campaign here and get more people in. Get the more people to see this game. We have 13,000 followers, which is a lot. How big was this actually for our 2D tool? I have no clue. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. Let's get another review in, outsource it, and get hopefully a buttload of stuff in before the end of today. We did. 7.8. This is going well. We give it 1 more month. And then we are going for the beta. Okay, we are kind of at the end of September. The coding is not going as quick as normally, so I guess it is really time to promote. Now, with the promotion of this, we are actually going to start printing as well. This is beta, right? I don't see anything happening. There we go, beta. We are gonna start printing. So, how much do we want? Well, apparently we can print a maximum of 108,000 per month. Let's check how many people can buy our software. We have a total customer reach of 500,000. Okay, that is good. Recommended program is actually one more than we actually have at the moment. Oh well. That is actually apparently a thing you should try and handle, but we'll see. How many do we want? Well, how many can we store? That is also an interesting one. I thought we had a digital distribution channel. Apparently we don't, or there's something wrong. I need to check that in a second. Actually, let's check our servers. Didn't see how it does. Yeah, it is. Oh, wow. Audio Basic is using a lot. Digital distribution is using nothing. Okay. Let's go for... enter how many copies. If no limit, I think I want... At the start, at release, I am thinking about 750,000 or 750,000. So 250,000 on release. Yeah, and we are going to release it in December. So we have 3 months. Okay, let's go for this, and we do need to start that now. Okay. And we technically start in October, and that is going to be shipped out to all the places. And I guess then that technically there will be a how is it called? I'm not sure. Review? Oh, can't do another review. I don't know. Let's just start hyping. Or continue hyping. 21,000. Okay, we are losing followers. Marketing time! Press build. Yep. And another marketing campaign. One thing I'm actually noticing, I mean, here at the end of October, everybody is going home, and piles of boxes are stacking up with 15,000 each. And we can, of course, produce 150 or 108,000 per month. So this one will be more than full next month, or before actually the month finishes, or the next morning finishes. So I am actually going to get into my career stuff and actually hire a few more couriers. So couriers. We have one coming in early. Let's actually have that one coming even earlier than that, 6 o'clock, and leave at 10. I think at 10 it will pick up all the boxes and move. And let's hire another one for the end of the day. So that one will pick them up at, well, there's 24 hours in a day, so 12 hours in between. It should be then at 10 and then at 22. Then the next one at 10. Yeah, that's technically the thing I'd like. Okay, let's do this. And at the moment I'm gonna call a courier as well, because I want one right now taking all these boxes. There we go. And there we go. Now this thing is not full. That's the thing I wanted to see. Okay, so we are at 24,000. Looks like this is kind of the maximum we can get. I guess 250,000 boxes will be more than enough. We have one more month. We have 90 boxes, 90 books finished, and the printing is going well. So we need one more month, and then we're gonna release it. Let's just do that. Let's get everybody in and work one more month on this piece of project, or on this project, and then we are going to see how this goes. Hopefully it won't be a bust. We lost 2 million in the process by, I guess, marketing and doing all the things, but hopefully that shouldn't be that bad. Also, the printing should cost us, but I can't see it. I guess it doesn't cost us because we are printing it ourselves, which I guess is a good thing. Yeah, the boxes are being stacked up higher. Now, this is the reason I got another person. Okay, everybody wants a raise. Everybody can get a raise. And now we should actually have HR management that could work here. Now that I'm thinking about it. But first, let's see if we can get this out. Okay, let's just get everybody in. There we go. There's everybody. We are going for 170 bucks. I guess we are going to just work until our butts sweat till the end of this month. And Well, we could do another press build, but I guess that's not a good idea. Let's just wait for the marketing until we are here. 2 o'clock. I think this is good enough as any. Let's get 2 more bucks out though. 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Release time. Do you want to release it? Yes. Do you want to market it? Yes. Who wants to market it? Primary research team. Research marketing team. Budget 20,000. I don't know. There's here there. 2 teams? No, 1 team. Okay. Do you want to order to sell copies in your product? Have print and physical copies. If you don't have any copies, there will be problems. Let's go for yes. Let's see. We have 250,000 in stock. We have a total consumer reach of 500,000. I think this will be more than enough. But let's just see how it goes. You have deserved a rest. Team, you can just sit here and do nothing for now. We are going to increase... Actually, the support for FrameBit looks like it's finished. There were 233 verified bugs and we fixed them all. So that's good. We have a total active 77 users, so we might actually want to maybe make a sequel to that one. We can actually kind of track that here, which I really like. Okay, the 20,000 budget has been done. Here at the end of the day, let's see how we do it. You go. Go home. There we go. Oh no. 162,000. We sold 50,000 copies. Ooh. That's not good. Ooh, that's really not good. Right. Okay, well, that's really not good. We have another research project here. Audio compression is by us to the editor. I guess we are going to take that one. Well, okay. Let's check the software. Let's go until the no filter. And actually, oh, I want to clear the filter. I want to sort on this. And let's see. Okay, audio tools. We were not the only one. No, wait. I'm not at the top. I'm at the bottom. There we go. There we go. 2 games, office software, operating software, audio tool. We were the only audio tool in the past year. We have 5,000 active users. We have made not a profit yet. And, ooh, okay. Well, that's not the best. It was a good project. Okay, or a good product. Which is reasonably good. Well, that's not good. Well, I hope we can at least make a little bit of a profit, but we still have at least some money, so we can still hopefully do a lot more. We should have still enough copies, so I guess we are not making any more. I need to check that somewhere. Let's see. Workspace was a big fail. If we can sell that, we will. Details. Start printing. And I guess we don't... Well, I need to limit those now to 1,000, which is the amount I want to have in storage. Goals 1,000. Oh, wait. Let's just 0. Have no more prints made at the moment. Okay. And just see how it goes. Oh, we only released it for 1 operating system. Oh, that's a bad thing. I wanted to release it for multiple, for the previous 2. Oh wow, that's an oversight from me. We can port this though. We can save and port this to other operating systems. Let's check. And I want to see the amount of active users. Can I see that? Not from this view. Oh wait, active users. Maybe sort by date. Yeah, we can, for example, port it to this one as well. And then see if we can sell a few more. But that's 134,000 people extra, which might not be a good idea. Oh well, we are going to still continue with that piece of software. We're gonna see if we can make it better and see if, well, if we get a lot of bugs and just fix them if it goes better. But that's, I guess, going to be it for this episode. Next episode, we're going to work on a new piece of software. We're going to see what we need to do. And yeah, until then, my name is Mastiap. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please leave a like on it at this episode if you did. And yeah, cheer me on for a better piece of software. I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Bye-bye.